Hello, this is Patrick White from AA Commodities and Investments from Spencer, Iowa with your Sunday night market recap video here. It's Sunday night about 9:11 p.m. On July 14th. We've got corn up pretty decently here. We've got September corn up 2 3/4 at 4.57 even. We've got August soybeans up 1 1/4 at 9.14 1/2, and we've got September Chicago wheat up 3 cents at 5.26 even. I'm going to go ahead and get started here with a disclaimer. Just remember, everything I discuss in this video here is just my opinion, and there's no direct trade recommendations. If you'd like to read the full disclaimer, please pause the video now. All right, so as you can see here, we had a higher overnight open here to start the week here on Sunday night on the overnight. We had corn gap higher, soybeans gapped higher, and wheat gapped fractionally higher as well. With that being said, you know, the reasoning behind that is the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day forecasts here. I'm going to get that backed out a little bit. I guess as you can see here, the 6 to 10 day, you know, we've got a significant amount of heat coming in here and a significant amount of dryness in the near term for most of the Midwest. I guess just around here locally in Spencer, where I'm at, I guess we've been seeing, you know, upper 80s, low 90s for temps. As you can see, you know, much higher than normal here for the Midwest and drier for both the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day forecast. So that's kind of cast the bullish undertone for the markets here on Sunday night. And we've really just, you know, looking at Sept corn here, really made a low here, almost filled that gap level of 413. Went up, we pushed above resistance from the WASD there at 445, where we previously saw resistance. Market had a really good day on Friday and just rallied up to what I would argue is our minor resistance level here at 457 to 458. We've touched that 1, 2, 3 times. The market hit that on the overnight, and that's the resistance area that we've been dealing with here. So I would look for that resistance area if we can get above 457, 458. We're probably going to go back and test the old highs. And if this 6 to 10 day forecast and stuff sticks in here with hot and dry, you know, I would expect us to have, you know, a bullish undertone here to start the week. So those are the two levels to watch in September corn here. That's 457, 458, and then of course the old highs up there at the 468, 469 level. Over into the soybean market here, kind of the same story. We had a gap up. Really just market drove through resistance here this last week. You know, that level was 907 there in August soybeans. You know, we tested that 1, 2, 3, 4 different times. The 907 level was broken on Friday, so I expect us to go to 923 here early this week. If we can get above there, my next level is 930. So I think that near term will probably be supported here in the soybean market. And yeah. So I think sell-offs to 907 down to the 895 level, 897 level in August soybeans should be bought here. So look for a push to the 923 to 930 level. Above there, well, we'll probably make another video by then. September wheat here. Just looking at the daily chart, you know, like corn, we went down and we tested that key $5 mark there on the September wheat market. And that $5 mark is a good support area. We've touched down there 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the past here. Got a nice bounce from the WASD there, right into resistance there, right into old resistance. So the 522 level, I believe, is the area I had pegged in the newsletter. That should be supported. I think like the 517, 518 level is probably our best support going forward here. We've got resistance at the 535 to 549 level, and you can see that they've dusted that 549 level a couple of different times. So I would look for you know, a higher wheat market as long as the corn market stays supported here this week. And I think overall wheat's probably going to be a less bullish follower of the corn market. So that's about all I got here for you guys today. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 712-262-7606. Have a great week. Thank you.